Okay, right everyone, back with the track car, and I've got it on the ramp, so I've been working through the MOT list and I've got pretty much everything done. Let's run through a review from the list, what I got done. So the plan is this afternoon I want to just get the seals welded up. Okay, so bits that I've done is, have a look. So horn fixed, position lamps fixed, headlight aim 2 LUN, I adjusted that and I did a guess. Got to do the brake pipes, seals, that was fine. Registration plate missing, we've done that. Rear number plate lamp missing, we've fixed that. Stop lamps, middle one on the boot, fixed that. So that's it at the moment on the list. So the plan is this afternoon to repair the seals. So got a hole there, and here, because it's been crushed, we've got obviously a hole there. So I'm going to get them repaired. Now I'm not going to be spending as much time as I normally would repairing a seal, just because of the car, of what it is, and I don't really know how long it's going to stay on the road. So my plan is really just to sort of cut the outer skin off, clean up the inner seal. If there's some holes in there, you know, I'll zinc primer it and stuff, but then I'm just going to be putting the outer panel on. This isn't going to be a repair that I'm doing to make it last as long as possible. It's just I don't want to invest a lot of my time into something which I don't really know how long this car's going to be on the road for, or what its future is. But at the moment it's just getting MOT on it. So I'm going to do a time lapse. Come along with me and let's do these seals. So that was as what I expected, and that's what I wanted, was the rust line to start disappearing here. If this was a normal job, I'd be going further up here and doing this, because this probably goes up to about here, but I'm cutting it at this level on this car. So I'm going to clean this up and then we'll crack on. So it's as good as can be, I think. So this car has got the early plating on, which is why it's been a lot resistive to the rust. It's had a hit previously, which is the main result of this seal sort of going up. There is a hole ish there. Normally that would be cut out, replaced and everything else, so not doing that. I'm just going to clean it up, put some rust protector on it, and then we'll weld on an outer panel. Yeah, so it needs attention in other places, but you know, it's not something that I want to spend a lot of time on. Don't know how long it's going to be on the road. Right, let's get protected. Okay, so I've got my seal panels made. There we go, got them done. So the plan is just get them welded on there. Yes, anyone that's noticed, this inner seal is dented and the outer panel is going to be made to contour with that dent. As I said, this isn't going to be a normal repair. It's somewhere in between. Both of these inner seals would normally have been cut out and replaced, but track car. And I just want to give it a little bit more lease of life at the same time, doing a repair that's, you know, it's probably about 80% of probably what we probably would have done, maybe a bit lower than that, 75. So these are the panels, they've been made, we're going to get them welded on, and Roy's going to slap some weld on for me. Alright, let's get started. Right, we're back. Unfortunately, the camera died during the time lapse of putting the seals in, so I think you probably got halfway through Roy actually welding the seals in, so yeah, sorry about that, but it happens. So we've welded the seals in now, got seals the outer panel. As you can see, I've contoured the dent there that was in there, and then come around here. There's been no filler put in this yet, so this isn't what we would normally do, and this isn't the procedure of like how we stone chip or anything, but I'm cutting corners here. It's not I wouldn't say it's not a bodge, but it's I'm just not being as thorough as what I would do. But track car, and I don't want to invest loads of time, so we've cleaned it up. Things are good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to spray some stone chip on it and just so protect it a bit more. So what we've got on here at the moment is got primer on here, and normally I wouldn't be panel sealing here, but because we're not filling, obviously then that gap's exposed, so I've panel sealed in there, and obviously the normal places underneath. So I'm gonna get this stone chipped, go from there. So seals stone chipped. So I reckon that's probably giving it, we had a discussion, a good maybe another 4 years maybe before we may have to do some other welding works. I don't think it'll be in that area, it might be maybe in a couple of other places, but I'm thinking that I might get this under sealed, some rust prevention on it. Although it looks really tatty, I sort of want it to knock rust away as well. So alright, so everything is now done. We've also done the brake pipe across the rear axle. It says rear axle, it's rear subframe, but it's the rear brake pipe, but it goes down on the description, I think sometimes it's rear axle, and the near side brake pipe. So that's all done. This bloody camera, there we go. The other camera used to press it twice, and this one you have to do 3 times to get it to spin round. It's annoying. Okay, so I'm going to let this sit on the ramp over the weekend. It's Saturday morning, and then take it round to see Mark Monday morning to get the ticket on it, and then try and find the B5 certificate logbook. I'm not sure where that is. I hope we've still got it, because taxing it is then going to be a problem, but we'll see. All the other little bits and pieces are done, and then the rest of it on my list is like stereo. I just want to put a stereo in it. Go from there. Okay, have a good weekend. See you on the next one. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye.